All right, so we got this 2017 Chevrolet Malibu. So you see, this is Chevrolet Malibu 1.5. Here we got what we just did on it. We did the seals, the expansion valve replacement. As you can see here, how bad it was. We got the filter or the dryer and also the compressor. We have replaced all these on this car. The AC is blowing, super cold. You can see on the line how wet is it. And basically we just finished this repair on this car. So if you have a Chevy Malibú 2017, give me a call, or any car that you need an AC kit installation, give me a call. My number is 832-618-7291. We can do this job for you here in North Houston. My number again is 832-618-7291 to perform any compressor replacement, expansion valve, dryers, any hoses, or anything with related with the AC. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.